Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Profit Magnet, and I want to thank you all for joining us in today's video. Today, I'll be discussing about a free mining site that you can use to get free Dogecoin straight into your wallet. I'll also be teaching you step-by-step tutorial on how to get this Dogecoin straight into your wallet without no hassle. Before we continue, please do well to hit the subscribe button, and also please like this video and share it to your friends and family in order to get valuable content to them. Also, you can click on the link in our description below to join our Telegram channel so that you can get more information and updates. Alright, we'll just dive straight into it. In today's video, I would teach you guys how to withdraw Dogecoin using this site. This is Freeusdt, a micropayment wallet that you can use to receive small payments instantly. Now, to use this site, you will first of all have to have set up an account with them. By setting up an account with them, you'll be directed to this dashboard. Once you're here, you click on your user dashboard. Now, once you're here, you see that you have your portfolio, your coins collected, and your payouts received. All these places now are where you get information concerning your portfolio. Now, to get your wallet, you click on Overview. In this Overview area, you have your wallets. Once you come here, you see all the different wallets that you can pick from. But for today, since we are dealing with Dogecoin, we'll be clicking on the Dogecoin wallet. So let's go here. Now, when you get here, you're going to click on Deposits because you want to get the wallet address from Freeusdt. So let's click on Deposits. Now, once you click on Deposits, they will show you your wallet address. So you come here and you click this copy sign. Once you click it, it will be copied to your dashboard. Now I've copied the Dogecoin wallet address. So the next thing is to move on to my minerbly.com site. This is where I will be mining my free Dogecoin, guys. This is where the magic happens. So you just come into the site, click on start mining, and you paste in the wallet address that you copied. Once you paste it in, which is very simple, just like I did, you just click on start mining, and just like that, guys, your Doge is mining free of charge. You don't have to do no withdrawals, no deposits. You have your Doge mining for you. So here in this site, as you can see, this is my profile, and they will show you your mining power, your total referrals, and your current USD value. Currently, I just started mining and I've already gotten a value of 0.002 USD. So depending on the amount of time that you want to mine for, to just know the amount that you'll be getting. If you come over here, they can show you the amount that will be given to you for a particular period of time depending on your mining power, guys. So over here now, you can see that for a 1 day period, I will have this amount of Doge, and for a 3 day period, I will have this amount of Doge. Now let's just calculate if I leave this mining for a 1 month period. Let's see if we can copy this. Yes, so we copy this out, copy. Right now, I'm in my Doge converter, and I'm just going to insert that amount of Doge that I copied into this converter in Google. You can access this from Google. Just write Doge to USD on your search bar, and you'll be able to find the amount of Doge that you can convert to USD. So here I will just paste it, and as you can see, we have a very low amount of USD because of our mining power is also very low. So because our mining power is very low, it will be very hard for us to get a very high amount of Doge. But over here, if you come over here, you can see that you can buy mining power, and if you click here, you can increase the amount of mining power you want, and the minimum amount of mining power you can get is 20 mining hour per second. So let's just say the list here 20, and we say buy now. Buying 20 mining power from this site, you can buy it, and they will take you here where you will choose your payment method. But I will just cancel and return. This is just for people who want to increase their mining power on the site. So I will cancel and return back to merchants. Remember, I said this is a free site. So if you don't want to increase your mining power to get more Dogecoin, that's okay. You can just continue using the mining power of 2, and your Doge will keep on mining Also, if you click on this drop down menu here, you have options. You have your dashboard, your account history, your deposits, withdrawals, and referrals. Now, if you refer people, your mining power increases. So for this site, the more people you refer, the more your mining power increases. Now, as for the thing we have all been waiting for, the withdrawal. Is it possible to withdraw for this site? Does this site really pay? Yes, and I will prove it to you guys. If I want to withdraw from this site now, I will come here and click on the withdraw icon. Once I'm here, I will type in the amount of Dogecoin I want to withdraw. Remember that you have already sent your wallet to them, so they already have your wallet in their database. So now I will just type in the minimum amount of 0.0000001 or 20, and I'll confirm my request. Now, as you can see guys, the Doge that I withdrew has already been sent to my wallet, with some other ones that I withdrew before too. So guys, if we go to my wallet now and we refresh it and come down to my Dogecoin, you can see that I have already increased from my 0.00 that I had before. Now I have a little bit amount of Dogecoin in my Freeusdt Pay. So guys, this is to prove to you that this update actually works, and I would advise that we all get on it so that we can get more money in this 2023 period and get paid. Please remember to like and share this video and send to your family members too and your friends, so that everybody can make passive income in 2023 guys. And also remember to visit our Telegram channel to get more information and to get faster updates, and also get faster access to me, and I can also answer questions on our Telegram channel. Thank you and remain blessed.